Alright everyone, just a quick disclaimer before we get into the video. First things first, we got a new coupon today, which was the $3 off Unilever product. So we got one a few days ago, which was the $3 off when you spend $9 on Dove, Axe, Caress, Shea Moisture, and some other coupons. And Suave. And then we got the $3 off Unilever. That's all the coupon says. So today I tried to incorporate both coupons at the same time in one transaction. I tried different things, and as you will see further on in the video, I picked up a Dove body wash and I picked up a Degree deodorant. For whatever reason, it was not coming off. I think because most of those products go for both coupons and maybe only one is registering it under all instead of, you know, separating two $9 worth of products. So I'm going to show you right now what I ended up doing after like the 5th transaction. And I love the store manager because she was so sweet and she was joking with me, but she takes her time, even though she told me that she wanted me to wait 1 more hour before I did my deal so I can be put on to some other cashier. So anywho, like I said, we have the coupons that will go for most of both items. So we have this Suave that is $1. I'm going to scan it so you can see what I'm saying. Scanning that now, and as you can see, there are the 2 coupons. That is the Dove, the Axe Caress Degree Dove Shea Moisture, and the Unilever. So that means this will go for both. Both coupons can apply to it. Okay? Same thing with this Degree deodorant. And this also qualifies for both. Now, if you want to execute, stop being blurry. Now, if you want to execute both deals in one, there are some items that you can use so that both coupons come off. If you get this Pond's here, this is $2 in store. This is what you need to do. As you can see when I scan it, only the Unilever comes up. You need to pick products that only the Unilever comes up, not these that work on both coupons. You need something that will only do one. So I got the Pond's in this deal, and the Noxzema. Oops, scan some. Oh, the toothpaste. And as you can see, the Noxzema comes off. Will have that coupon attached to it. And I got this Noxzema here. Right there. Oh wait, what is it getting? The toothpaste again. Okay. Oh well. And I have that. Same thing. Only attaches to the Unilever. You have some Axe body wash that I think I point out in the video that only attaches to the Unilever. So you can get some Axe body wash. But the Axe deodorant, body spray, that all attaches to both and they are not coming off. At least not for me. Maybe you will have luck. Maybe they changed something. So clip these coupons. We are getting a new 5 off 25 starting Sunday. And you can use both these coupons because I think they both... the new one is February 29th and let's see, February 13th for the other one. So we have time to use both of those. So again, you will have to, if you want both coupons to come off, you're going to have to get something that is straight exclusive to the Unilever for now, unless they fix it where we can use both. And one that will go for both, which is all these different things. Like I said, Scan and the Axe body wash. Some of those will be exclusive to the Unilever, The Noxzema and the Pond's are exclusive to the Unilever, while the deodorants and other body wash is for both of them. So they're interchangeable in the sense of if you want to use the one that has Axe, Caress, and Shea Moisture, you can use any deodorants, any of their body washes that attach to both. So then you can use that there. But when you want to use the $3 off $9 Unilever, you're going to stick with Noxzema or the Axe body wash. For now, I didn't get to scan everything, but those are the ones that I figured out that only attach to one coupon that make it in one transaction, both of those coupons will come off. Alright, now let's get into the video. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Blushes Sweetly, coming to you with another Family Dollar deal. Alright, I am over here in the deodorant area. I am actually going to utilize these two coupons that we have. We just got a new one which says Unilever, $3 off when you spend $9, and we still have, unless you used it, the Axe Caress Degree Dove coupon, which is also $3 off of $9. So I just want you to know you can get the deodorant, the spray. You have these deodorants down here. You have the regular Degree, and let's see, and some Dove. You can even purchase this Dove, which is for $5. So I'm trying to figure out exactly what am I going to do for a deal. Alright, we also have Dove that we can put on. I just scanned this one here. Oops, this one here for $4.50. We can add that into a deal. You also have the other ones that are $6.50 in this store. They do have... You like people in them stores. That's right. And then we have that one for $6. But I think I'm going to pick up one of these. And don't forget, you have other options like the body wash. These qualify. They might qualify for one of the coupons or both of the coupons. This actually qualified for both. This only qualified for one. And I think this one qualified for one. This qualified for both. And this one qualified for both. So don't just limit yourself to deodorant or just all body wash. There are so many other options you can do with these coupons here. So just go around and scan and figure out a great deal that fits you and your family. Alright, now the next thing I'm going to be picking up is some Glade. And yes, everyone's going for candles or the plug-ins, but I think I'm going to get 4 of these. My uncle still has carpet, so I'm going to get this so I can keep refreshing his carpet. So this is another option you can pick up for that $3 off of Glade deal coupon. And yeah, that's about it. Alright everyone, this is the deal that I came up with utilizing the 3 off 9 of Dove and the Unilever coupons, using both of them. So this is $4.50 and this is $4.50. So that will be taken care of with one coupon. Then I have the Gillette, which is $5 with the $3 off coupon. The Crest with that's $2 with a $1 off coupon. And then this is what I'm going to do for the other 3 off 9. I have the Suave Men's and the Degree Men's. These both are $2.50 a piece, so that's $5. And then I added in these small Suaves. They are $1 each, so that will bring me to the $9. And I like to get these because I can throw them into the car, into the purse, into a travel bag. If you're just taking a little bit of stuff, they're nice and small, and you can just kind of throw them wherever. Alright, so all this is $25, and when everything is said and done, it should come up to a subtotal of $10. So let's see what happens. All right, that's great. Now I figured it out. Ah, shut up. Wait, where's my money? All right, and this is my next deal here. I have 4 of the Glade carpet powder refresher or whatever it's called, and those are $2.50 a piece, so that is $10 right there. So the $3 off coupon should come off for that. I have Cottonelle wipes that are $2.25 with a 75-cent off coupon. I have Dixie cups that are $3.35 with a $1 off coupon, and we have the 3 Colgates, which none of them scanned. So this is a trial to see if that $5 will come off of the Colgate Optic White. They are $3 a piece, so it'll be $9 with a $5 off coupon. I need to throw in a piece of candy to get me to $25. And after everything is said and done, I think I should be paying like 11 bucks. I'm not sure. I forgot the calculations. Anywho, let's see what happens. So the subtotal is $25.60, and now with all coupons applied, yes, cake. Ta-da! Subtotal is $10.85. Woohoo! All right, everyone, I am back home, and so let's go over the deals again that I did at Family Dollar. First, we have the Dixie to-go cups. They are $3.35 in store with a $1 off coupon. We have the Colgate Optic White toothpaste. These are $3 a piece, making it $9 with a $5 off coupon. And don't worry about it showing that it doesn't attach to anything. Just trial and error, but do look out for these. These are the Fresh Mint Gel 4.2, and here, let me get, just in case if you know, feel a little nervous of going up there, that it, oh, turn it upside down. If you're worried about the coupon not coming off, my store doesn't make it a big deal of trial and error, but I did pick up these the first time. There you go. And they came off, the coupon came off perfectly. Okay, then we have, I can fix this, the Cottonelle wipes, which are $2.25 with a 75 off coupon. Make sure you scan your receipt so you get some points on Fetch Rewards. Then we have the Glade. This was with the coupon $3 off when you purchase $10 worth. And at this store, this was $2.50 a piece. At another store that I normally go to, they are actually $2.65 a piece. So right here is a total of $10. So the $3 will come off. And I had a paper $1 off too, Nestle Pure Life. These are $1 a piece, just like the dollar store. So if you don't have a dollar store near you, or you don't want to deal with if it beeps or not at the dollar store, you can actually achieve the same deal at Family Dollar. So this total was $26.60. You gotta be at least $1 over if you're using a paper coupon that is $1. You want to be $1 over the $25. You then hand over the $1 off coupon. Let them scan that. After they scan the paper coupon, then you're going to punch in your phone number, and then all the digitals will come off. So again, we are at $26.60. And then let's look at the receipt. So you can see how all the coupons came off, and the $5 off 3 Colgate is broken up to $3 off one, $2 off the next. Nothing on the third. The Glade, it's broken up into $2.50 and then 50 cents onto the next one. And at the bottom is my Nestle water, which is $1 each. And then the paper coupon comes off, and also the 5 off 25. My subtotal was $10.85 for 11 items. with the savings of $14.75. Really $15.75. It just doesn't count the dollar off paper coupon. So again, we got a total of 11 items for less than 10 bucks. No, I mean 11 bucks. So 11 items at $10.85. Let's move on to my next deal. Alright, here is my last transaction, and I went through a lot with this, but I am here to set things straight with the coupons that we have. First off, let's just go over the deal, and that is I did the 3 off $9 Unilever coupon, and also the $3 off Dove Caress Axe coupon, which is basically Unilever all over again because that is their products, Unilever products. But we got a new one today, a new coupon today, so I utilized both coupons. And then we have the Gillette razor, $5 with the $3 off coupon. The Crest toothpaste, that is $2 with the $1 off coupon. And so here, let me break it down to you. The coupon that I used was the $3 off Dove Axe Caress Shea Moisture coupon that we got a few days ago, and that is off of the deodorants. This is $2.50. These are $1. Again, $1. And then the Suave Men's here, which is also $2.50. So right there is $9. The next coupon that I used was the $3 off Unilever, which is the Pond's, this, Nexzema, I got the eucalyptus, I wanted to try that, as well as the Noxzema Ultimate Clear, okay? These were on the shelf saying $4.50. After I finally figured out what I needed to do so that both coupons would come off, I thought these were $4.50, and somehow my order went from $27, and then I switched it over to purchasing these Noxzemas from the Dove and Degree deodorant you saw earlier in the video to these two items, and realized it was actually cheaper because then my total went to $24 and I needed to add it in another $1 worth. So here we go. These are actually on sale for $4. So this is $8. Okay. Then we have the Pond's here, which is $2. So I had $10 worth of the Pond's or of the Unilever instead of having $9 worth. And after everything was said and done, then the $5 finally came off. Having a successful trip after about 5 tries. So here is my receipt. Is this the right one? Yeah. No. Okay. So, as you can see, the Suave came off, those $3. And then $4 for the Noxzema. So $3 came off just off of the one. Then you had the rest. And my subtotal was $11. And we had 11 items with the savings of $15. Okay? So 11 items, basically $1 each, or yeah, just $1 each. So that's how everything worked out, but at least I got all these things and finally figured out how to utilize those digital coupons. And I hope that this video helps you on your next 5 off 25, which we will be getting this coming Sunday because I did an early ad preview in my previous video for Family Dollar, and we are getting an additional another 5 off 25 starting Sunday. Alright everyone, like, comment, and subscribe. Keep your eyes on the prize. Back to the win. See you in the next one. Bye.